Hello, Sakafete. Hi guys, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a Caribbean style cook-up rice. Come along with me guys and just see how I put it all together. The first thing I'm going to do is heat up my pot. It's just going to heat up for a bit. And you can see I have everything that I'm going to use here. Coconut milk. Now this coconut milk is great. It's frozen coconut milk. It's real. It's the pure thing. And I take it out ahead of time and let it just store. I have my chicken. I have all my onion and garlic and pepper and thyme, everything there, rice, some green seasoning, all my seasoning, Maggi, Goya seasoning, my bay leaf, and pigeon peas. All that's going in there. Pork is being cooked and soaked overnight and boiled out. So let's see if this is hot now. I'm going to pour a little bit of cooking oil. The chicken I seasoned overnight. So I left it overnight. It's got a green seasoning and a little bit of curry and pepper and just a bit of everything in there. It's well seasoned. Just check it. Oh yeah, it's ready to go. So I'm just going to pour this in there. So this recipe is just a typical Caribbean recipe. You cook up rice, everybody make their cook up rice differently. It just depends what you want to add into it. So we're just going to let that cook down a bit. And this is a whole chicken, I just cut it up. I'm going to put just a little bit of this kitchen bouquet, not too much because I don't want it too brown. Just a little bit. And I'm cooking it on a high heat, like I'm putting the fire is high. So we're just gonna cover it up for about a few minutes. All right, so let's see how that's coming. And you see it's sprouting. So I'll just keep covering it up and let it continue to cook down. Let me see. Oh, look guys, how that's looking. I'm gonna put this in there, which is my pork, salty pork meat. I'm putting that in now. Remember guys, it's a cook up, so everything's going in there. Some garlic, onion, celery and carrots. I'm going to put the seasoned pepper in there. It's not hot, but it's going to add flavor to my cook up. And I'm going to put a couple of bay leaf in there. Put about 3 in there. Then I'm going to put some of this seasoning. I'm going to add some water to that and just let it cook down. I'm going to cook everything before I add my rice. It's almost like cooking Pelau, but I guess with Pelau you don't put as much stuff in it as a cook-up. Cook-up is everything, basically. You let me know what you like in your cook-up. Okay, so I'm just going to cover that, bring it to a boil and let it cook. Okay, we're going to check this. Oh, look at that. Chicken, it should be done now. So I'm going to take this off out of there right now. It's been cooking for 45 minutes, so it's done. It's time to finish it up. So I'm going to taste it, see if it's got enough salt. Perfect. It's actually 3 cups of coconut milk. So this is it guys. The last step is to put the rice in. Green onions and parsley, that's going in there. That's the last thing. And then I'm going to turn it down. I'm going to leave it on, let it cook. Once the rice is cooked, it's finished. I'll just turn it off. let's check it. Oh, look at that. Cover it up. Let it finish. So it's 10 minutes since I last checked it. It's all done. Rice is cooked. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. So let's show you how it looks. Look at that, guys. You're just gonna take it apart here and look all that goodness inside. I'm gonna try it. This looks so good. Oh, it's delicious. And here you have it, guys, our delicious cook-up rice. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have yourself a great day and God bless.